you should be headed toward the staging lanes. Well, there are almost 12,000 viewers on MotorMania TV at this moment. You might ask why so many? Well, the majority are probably visiting by way of the internet from Thailand to watch this guy and the Isuzu bodied pickup truck with a 4-cylinder in it. Best run yesterday was an 882 when he captured his NHRA competition license. And really a very good running truck. Started out, ran in the 13s, then the 12s, then the 11s, then the 9s, and then finally 882 yesterday at 148 miles an hour. But this is a 4-cylinder, 3-liter Isuzu common rail diesel with a Liberty 5-speed transmission. Think about the money, the time invested to travel from Thailand and have the truck air freighted over here. Bear in mind that this truck was constructed in 30 days from start to finish, pile of tubing to what you see here in 30 days. Hey JJ, what's the name of this guy again? Best Turbo Yen. Best Turbo Yen, the driver of this truck. What a cool little truck, little Isuzu pickup. Best Turbo Yen. Set to go now in the left lane. Industrial injection side of the racetrack. .822 in the quickest run here at the Texas Motorplex for Best Turbo Yen and the team that has really proved notice that they know how to do it. All the way from Thailand, halfway around the world, come to the U.S. stateside, the Texas Motorplex, gains his NHRA competition license, and now with his quickest run of the weekend, Best Turbo Yen, all the way from Thailand, 822 and 164 miles an hour. All I can say is, wow, that's cool. With a 4-cylinder, single-turbo, 5-speed truck.